with the family. I brought my camera, but I forgot a memory card. So I'm recording with my phone right now. Unlucky. Someone who genuinely gets upset when something bad happens or when something happens to me that's out of my control. I usually don't get angry about it, but today that was a little different. Today I was called into work early to cover someone's shift who called out, which I'm fine with. I don't really mind doing that. I'm happy to cover someone's shift if there's something happened and they need to be out and they need me to cover for them. I'm happy to come in and do the work that is needed to be done. When I see that same person later in the day at the place that we work, going to lunch with my boss, I'm gonna be a little upset. I am not going to get into specifics out of respect for those people. I'm pretty upset. If you call out of work because of an emergency or something going on, you don't feel well, whatever it is, you should not be seen where you work the same day if you called out. And if you are seen there, you should go up to the person who filled into you and say, hey, thanks for covering for me, or I appreciate what you did, I'm sorry that I couldn't be there, this thing came up, yada yada yada. Whatever it is, you should be thankful for the person who came in to work for you. Needless to say, today was a pretty rough day. I walked out of work and I'm pretty sure that I'm not going to be going back. On the flip side, I got to go to my brother's baseball game and spend more time with my family. Now, I took my camera with me and I was getting ready to record. So today's footage is going to be a little bit shorter just because I forgot my memory card and I wasn't able to shoot everything that I wanted to shoot. It doesn't look as good, the sound quality isn't up to par, and a few different other things. It's just frustrating when you plan to shoot everything with a camera and then you forget the one thing that you need to be able to shoot with. Now, back to work. And I know some people might have a bad day or people might be tired, but for the most part, I expect people to give as much effort as they can when possible. Especially when you're being paid to do a job. You're being paid to do a specific thing and you should give as much effort as you can when you're doing that job. I'm saying all this because I did leave my job today. I'm sorry this video was so short. I've had a rough day. I forgot my memory card and I just really want this day to be over, and I've just been stressed out since this morning. When it comes down to it, treat others the way you want to be treated, work hard, don't take others for granted. I do need a job and I will be getting another one. I'm not gonna work for someone who doesn't respect me and who doesn't take the time to make sure they're doing the job that they are supposed to be doing. And after I left my job today, I was able to spend time with my family, go watch my brother play a baseball game. It was a great day after everything had happened. I do believe you should stick it out and work through everything that you can, but I also believe you should stick up for yourself. And when you aren't being treated right, and when you see others around you being disrespected, you need to stand up for what is right and don't be pushed around by others. That's what I did today. I saw others being mistreated, I saw work not being accomplished, and I had had enough of it. I tried to stick through it, I tried to do my best to push through the hard times, but at some point you have to realize when enough is enough and a change needs to be made. Today was that day, and I made that stand, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.